Welcome to Bethlehem Institute of Engineering. Bethlehem Institute of Engineering is affiliated to Anna University, Chennai and approved by AICTE, New Delhi. This institution was established in the year 2008.
Good morning students. Today we are going to see another one problem in slope deflection method, right? So last class we have studied about shear force diagram, right? But it was not audible, so I am explaining in this problem also. Okay, what shear force diagram. One more is sinking of supports, right? If joint B sinks by 10 mm, it is given as joint B sinks, right? It will bend down. Okay, so we are going to include this sinking of supports also into the problem. Okay, so read the problem. Analyze the continuous beam shown in figure by slope deflection method if joint B sinks by 10 mm. Okay, so given EA is equal to 4000 kilonewton meter square. EA value is given, right? Then draw the bending moment and shear force diagrams. Draw the bending moment and shear force diagram. Look at the diagram. Yeah, one end is fixed, another end is having roller support. That is simply supported. Okay. Then joint B is sinking. Okay, sinking like this. Okay, so in AB and BA it creates, due to this sinking, a clockwise moment is created, right? Okay, if joint B sinks by 10 mm, it will create a clockwise moment, right? Here it creates a clockwise moment, and for BC it will create an anti-clockwise moment, right? So for AB and BA, you have to put it as minus 0.01, and for BC and CB, you have to put the value as positive. Okay, for AB and BC, you have to put the value as negative, and BC and CB, you have to put the value as positive, and you will having this deflection in mm, right? 10 mm, but here all the values are in meter. Here meter, meter, meter and meter square. So you have to convert this value into meter, 0.01 meter. Okay, so del value equal to 0.01 meter substitute pandra, but for AB and BA you have to substitute this as minus 0.01, and BC and CB you have to substitute it as 0.01. Okay, all the other procedures are same. So step 1, fixed end moments. Okay, for AB, M of AB equal to AB, it is having UDL. Okay, so minus WL square by 12, which is equal to minus W is 20 into L 8 square divided by 12. As usual, you will get the value minus 106.67 kilonewton meter. Okay. Likewise, for M of BA, it is WL square by 12. Only this negative gone. So you will get 106.67 kilonewton meter. Okay. Then M of CB. M of BC. M of BC have a point load at the center. Okay, so it is minus W AB square by L square. It is equal to minus W is 60 into A 2, B also 2 square divided by length 4 square. It is equal to, you will get the answer minus 30 kilonewton meter. Okay, then m of cb is equal to w a square b by l square, which is equal to minus 60 into 2 square into 2 divided by 4 square. You will also get 30 kilonewton meter. Okay, this is as usual procedure. Then step 2. What is step 2? Step 2 is slope deflection equation. Slope deflection equation for MAB. What will you put? M of AB plus 2EA by L into 2 theta A plus theta B plus 3 del by L. Okay, so here A end is fixed, so we can put this as 0. Okay, but theta B has value, and del value you have to put 0.01 in negative because it bends like this. Okay, so you have to put negative, and for EA you have to substitute 2EA. For EA you have to substitute 2EA, which is equal to M of AB is minus 106.67 plus 2 into 2EA. Okay, here it was given as 2EA divided by 4. So 2 into 2, 4, this 2 are cancelled. Theta B, this 2 into 2EA by 8 because the length is 8. Then theta B plus 3 into, for clockwise you have to put minus 0.01 divided by L, that is 8. Okay, you will get minus 106.67 plus 0.5 EA into theta B plus minus this value is 3.75 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, so if you simplify this, you will get an equation in terms of theta B. Okay, you have to substitute the value of EA also. You have to substitute the value of EA and simplify it. You will get 2000 theta B minus 114.17. You will get one equation. Okay, then likewise you have to find it for MBA, MBC, MCB. Okay. MBA you will get 4000 theta B plus 99.17. Okay, then MBC, M of BC plus 2 EA, only EA because here it is given as EA only. Okay, so simply put EA by L into 2 theta B plus theta C plus 3 del by L. Theta B you will having value and theta C also you will having value. So no need to cancel anything. Then 3 del value is 0.01. You have to put it in positive sign. Okay, so now M of BC is minus 30 plus 2 into EA value 4000 divided by L value 4, then 2 theta B plus theta C plus 3 into 0.01 by L is 4. Okay, if you simplify this, you will get the answer 4000 theta B plus 2000 theta C plus 15. Okay, this is second equation and this is third equation. Okay, likewise if you do it for MCB, you will get the value 2000 theta B plus 4000 theta C plus 45. Then next step is step number 3. To find theta values. To find theta values, what you have to do? You have to apply the equilibrium equations. Equilibrium equations. What are the equilibrium equations in this beam? It is fixed. So MAB equal to 0 எடுக்க முடியாது. So in joint B, MBA plus MBC equal to 0, right? MBA plus MBC equal to 0. One equation. Then MCB equal to 0 because this end is simply supported. So MCB equal to 0. CB equal to 0. This is second equilibrium condition. So if you apply this one, you will get MBA value, this one, 4000 theta B plus 99.17. Then MBC value here, plus 4000 theta B plus 2000 theta C plus 15 equal to 0. Okay. Then theta B values you can club it. So 8000 theta B plus only one theta C value, 2000 theta C. You have to add this plus 99.17 plus 15 and move it on the other side. You will get minus 84.17. Minus 84.17. This is fifth equation. Okay. Then MCB equal to 0. MCB equal to 0. Okay. Sorry. This in this value you will get minus 15. Okay. Because here also it is minus 15. Okay. I will mistakenly write this. So you will get this value as minus 84.17. Okay. Then put MCB equal to 0. MCB value is this. Put this is equal to 0 and put this equation as 6. Okay. Then solving phi and okay. If you apply the second boundary condition, you will get MCB equal to 0. Right? MCB value is 2000 theta B plus 4000 theta C is equal to minus 45. Okay. Okay. Sorry. You have to apply it as plus 45 equal to 0. Okay. This is MCB is equal to 0. Okay. If you apply this, you will get two equations in terms of theta B and theta C. If you solve 5 and 6, solving 5 and 6, you will get the value of theta B and theta C. Okay, it was got as minus 8.81 into 10 power minus 3 and minus 6.85 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, the next step is step number 4, to find final moments. Right, to find final moments, you have to substitute this theta B and theta C values in equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you will get MAB value, MBA value, MBC value and MCB value. Okay, MAB value is minus 131.77 kilonewton meter, MBA value 63.93 kilonewton meter and MBC is minus 63.93 kilonewton meter and MCB you will get 0.02 which is approximately equal to 0. Okay, MCB value you will get 0. Okay. Okay, listen students. Then step 5 is what? To draw shear force diagram. To draw shear force diagram. Okay. So you have to draw the shear force diagram. So you have to split this beam ABC. You have to split it as AB and BC. Okay. No need to consider the fixed support or anything. You have to take the two spans as simply supported, AB and BC. Okay. Take the reactions as RA. Here it is RB1, RB2 and RC. Okay. Then put the loading condition 20 kilonewton per meter. This is per meter. 8 meter. Then here it is 60 kilonewton, 2 meter, 2 meter. Then you have to mark the moment. Okay. So MAB moment minus 131.79 in minus, so anti-clockwise minus 131.79. Okay. Then MBA is 63.93 in clockwise direction, 63.93. Then MBC minus 63.93, minus 63.93. Okay. Then MCB, it is 0. So put it as 0. Okay. Then to find out RA and RB1, you have to take in span AB, take moment that B left la moment edukra. Okay. B left la moment edukuma RA into the distance is 8. Okay. RA into 8. Then load 20 into 8 into 8 by 2. Okay. In minus 20 into 8 into 8 by 2. Okay. Then you have to put these two moments. This is minus 131.79. This is plus 63.93 is equal to 0. Why you are putting equal to 0? The right side moment is 0. Okay. So left side also will be equal to 0 because in a point the left side and right side moments will be equal to 0. Okay. So if you simplify this, you will get RA equal to, you will get the value 88.48 kilonewton. Okay. Then you have to substitute RA upward force equal to downward force. So RA plus RB1 equal to the load. Okay. So RA plus RB1 is equal to load 20 into 8. Okay. If you subtract the value of RA, you will get RB1. Okay. RB1 is equal to 71.52. You will get. Okay. Then in span BC. Okay. In span BC, you have to substitute. Take moment at C left. You have to take moment at C left. Okay. So RB2 into 4. RB2 into 4 minus 60 into 2. Minus 60 into 2. Then this minus 63.93 moment. Minus 63.93 plus 0. Right? 0 moment is equal to 0. You will get RB2 is equal to 45.98 kilonewton. Okay. Likewise, if you calculate for RC, that is upward moment, RB2 plus RC is equal to 60. Put it, if you substitute RC, you will get 14.02 kilonewton. Okay. So you will get RA equal to 88.48. Then RB1 plus RB2. You have to add the RB1 value and RB2 value to find out the total RB. RB equal to, if you add this 71.52 plus 45.98, you will get 117.5. Okay, 117.5. Then RC is 14.02. Okay.